USలో తప్పడతాలు తయారెత్తారు. People's waiting for here. Let's see. 네, US गेम छिटे मी समय इंटे मामूल ले सरा. देखो भाई. तपड़ताल तयारेत्ता. Hey, darling, Momo. Pile todo de verdad.
Something the US was so effective at. Their intensity and physicality.
Get him off the field, sir. That's a collegiate. There we go. That's a
It's not just, after seeing the season he had in Italy.
Oh, don't fall down, man.
Okay.
So he doesn't have to worry as much about the defending, and he can. Into the box. One of the numbers in there. Adams could walk his way through. Australia known to go though. Nobody on the
Hi. Wow.
getting an own second straight game. That is never happened in the history.
Wait, that was like, hold on.
One of the interesting things that we've seen throughout this World Cup is how momentum can shift significantly after these sprints. So what's key here for the U.S. coming out? Continue with that same intensity. I was watching the Australian grouping as well. With these players, we have seen out of some of these breaks, and specifically that England-Croatia game where he's a kids on the field for Mauricio Pochettino with his experience. And this is Japan on the right side of Australia's defense, and just even by his hand motions there.
다람. 여보, 다람. 애들 미명보도 게 이씨, 야.
And this is a team doctors right these guys for potential concussion symptoms, making sure that they're clear to continue in the game. That's what the referee's conversation is right here.
Richards has run over to have a check with Mauricio Pochettino. This is just so tough because you